Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? Sorry, I gotta turn something off. There we go. I wanted to show you a water bottle I've been sucking out of recently. It's the Ironflask. I bought this on Amazon. It was like $30, which is a little bit much, but I've been super happy with this bottle. And you know, they didn't reach out to me or anything. I actually purchased this. Now, I don't typically carry this in the woods because it's a double-walled bottle, but you know, for just straight hydration, it's been pretty solid. I'll give you a closer look. Okay, so true story. I got to work one day. I start work at 12:30, and I put ice in here because ice water just tastes better. So I put ice in here, and then I spent the rest of the night sucking out of this because I like the straw because you don't have to worry about the ice cubes falling into your face. So I get the straw here, and I put ice in there. And the next morning, 6 a.m., I went into the kitchen and it was sitting on the counter, and it still had ice in there from the next night, which is why I was like, wow, I can't believe it still held ice. In fact, I filled this up yesterday because I drank it all, and it's still got a good amount of ice in there. So, because I like drinking cold water much better than I like drinking warm water. And rumor has it, I don't know if it's true, but I heard that if you drink ice water, you burn a little bit more calories warming that water up to body temperature and before you expel it. So I don't know if it's true. This is something I heard. Now I brought the box because it actually has a couple of things that came with it. It came with a screw top, if that's the way you wanted to run. Like I said, I like the straw, and it's got a little carabiner right here. But it has a screw top, and it also has, if I can get it out here, it came with a spare straw, which is pretty nice. And then it also came with another head as well. So if you wanted to drink coffee out of this, I mean, it's a serious coffee drink. But it's got that kind of lid, so if you wanted to drink a coffee, you could fill this up with coffee or tea or something, and it would probably stay hot because of the double lined bottle. I haven't tested it, but now I know on Amazon they showed different sizes bottles, so they had like, I'll have to throw it up on the screen because I forgot to write it down. But I got the 40 ouncer because I like to drink a lot of water. And I felt like I hadn't been rehydrating or hydrating enough. So yeah, pretty nice. I think they have a 20 ounce. I want to say. Like I said, I'll throw some numbers on the screen, and I'll also link the product down below so if you want to go check it out. It's the Ironflask. It's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, thanks for watching.